Today's workout requires 15 yards of space. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get ready, get our 15 yards, and we're gonna do 3 wind sprints. Up and back is 1 wind sprint. We're gonna do 3 of those. The second exercise is 10 jumping jack squats. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hop up, out, in, down. Jump up, out, in, down, jump up. So the last exercise in the circuit is a lunge into a press. So you're going to do 10 lunges and press into the sky. You're at the bottom of the lunge. You're going to do 10 on one leg, and you're going to switch it up and do 10 on the other leg. Make sure to complete this circuit 3 times.